Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and this is a mostly original, numbers matching, 3-owner Porsche 911T. And in this video, I'm going to take you around the car, I'm going to take you under the car, but first I'm going to take you for a ride in it, so buckle up. So the car gets up, it goes, it's running nicely, the suspension, the steering, everything feels great on it. It's had a lot of work done to it in the last year or two. And as we're cruising along, I'm going a little over 60. It's about as fast as I can go. We have all working lights, the horn, you know, the blinkers are working, the wipers, the radio. It's a nicely functioning car. The gauges are all working, though I will say the clock is inoperable. It's a nice feeling car. It just gets up and goes. Now we're up at about 75 miles an hour. Just feels stable, handles beautifully. So yeah, about 75 miles an hour. We're at about a little under 3,500 RPMs in 5th gear. This interior looks totally original, though I suspect the carpets have definitely been redone with later 911 rugs. I think the rest of it looks pretty original. I just love the feeling of these early 911s. They just have a nice kind of raw feeling. They're fun to drive, they handle great. You see the shifting's all nice, it just goes up and down through all the gears, so that's all great. Anyway, if you're on any of the third-party sites, you should definitely head over to my website at Left Coast Classics. There will be all the photos you see on the third-party sites, plus I think at least a couple hundred more. And you can download the documentation on the car. You can see what's been done to it. We have a lot of documentation on the car for you to go through if you're seriously considering a 911 like this. And you can always call me. My number should be somewhere down in the description. You can text me as well. I'm pretty easy to get a hold of. And that's kind of it. Make sure you check out the rest of this video. There's a lot more, several more minutes ahead with a lot more detail. Which, while you're at it, if you wouldn't mind hitting the like, subscribe, notification button, that'll help me in the algorithms, and it's fun to see. Take rides in different old cars, which is what I do. If you want to check out our social media sites, we're on all of them, and there's links to them right off of my website at leftcoastclassics.com. www.wheelerdealers.com. And then check us out on 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers. We have an old episode back in the Ed China days of a 57 Ford Thunderbird. That's this one right here. And I think in 2018 we did a 72 Lancia Fulvia. And then the most recent one was aired at the end of 2020, and that was a really cool one-owner Triumph TR4. So check all those out, and let me know if you have any questions. You can always get in touch. All right, thanks. All right, let's step underneath the 911. I don't see any rust. We got nice floors. Everything looks in order up here. Sills look nice. Yeah, don't see any rust under here at all. But everything looks tidy and rust-free. All right, so we're just going to take a really light magnet and run it down this lower part of the body. Got a little something going on there. It's definitely grabbing it. All right, let's go around to the other side. We got a little something going on right there. Looks like maybe it was patched. A little something around that. The magnet's definitely grabbing it without any hesitation. All right, there we go.